5 Fun Facts About Dogs. Dogs can smell time. They can detect changes in scent throughout the day, helping them know when it's time for food or when their owner is coming home. A dog's nose print is as unique as a human. Fingerprint. No two dog noses are the same, making them one of a kind. Dogs can catch human emotions. If you're sad or stressed, your dog can sense it and may try to comfort you. Greyhounds are faster than racehorses. They can reach speeds of up to 45 mph, 72 km/h, faster than most racehorses. The world's oldest dog lived to be 31 years old. A dog named Bobby from Portugal holds the record for the oldest dog ever.